everyone, it's Kim along here with
Josie.
Yay! We're in the Spellbinders studio and we're going to do the January Club walkthrough.
Yes.
We love it.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Yes.
We're so happy to be back. And we will jump right into January 2025.
That's right. This is the Deluxe Caboodle and it is called Nature's Dance. Yes, so fun. Josie loves to put a theme on these. So bring it out, girl.
So we're going to start with the small die, which is this beautiful oversized dragonfly. This is called the soaring dragonfly. And we have done dragonflies in the past, but nothing this size. And that's
beautiful.
what I love about it.
Oh my gosh.
It comes with these little flowers. And you have 3 styles of wings that you can do on this butterfly.
So cool. I actually didn't realize that. I have done the club photography for these, and I actually didn't realize that you have the different inserts. That's so smart.
3 different styles. Ooh. So there's that.
Small die. Check.
This is the 3D folder, if anybody's wondering.
Peeking back there.
And this is the stitch die. We're going to mix it up a little bit. But look how cute. It's a ladybug. And we did something a little bit different. We did little French knots around the outside label.
That's a dedication right there. Yeah. You don't have to do French knots.
But look how cute it looks. So
that's so cute. So this frame is also adorable. Like you don't even have to have necessarily the ladybug with it. Like that could go with so many different things.
It could work with the dragonfly. It could work with some of the other things in the club. And it also does have a few different sentiments that come with this set.
A few, like 4. Hello. So. Cute. So stitch die of the month. Awesome. And reminder, we are going over the Deluxe Caboodles. This is when you get all 10 clubs in one box right on your porch. Gotta love it. And so much fun.
And this is the large die. So I've been wanting to do an atrium for a while, and this is called Botanical Atrium.
Beautiful.
So you get all these beautiful florals, but you also get this atrium. And the way that we design this is that you can actually cut the atrium, back it, and use it as a die, as a layering die. Or you can create an aperture and do a shaker card if you want. So that there's a couple different ways that you can use this, and the flowers can be used across the board with all the clubs.
Mix and match with everything. So beautiful.
So pretty. I love this with the dark.
All these branches and flowers plus the beautiful atrium.
Yeah.
Kind of reminds me of French a little bit.
I know.
It's got that little French flair.
Yeah, I wanted to do kind of a vintage, modern-y kind of atrium, and I think it came out beautiful.
I love it. Large die. All right, cool.
All right.
Tuck that guy into there. What's next?
Move on to BetterPress.
Ooh,
and BetterPress is these oversized butterflies with 3 sentiments, and you also
like a huge set.
I know,
oh
I know, and you also get the dies.
See, that's what makes it so big. That's
the butterflies
great.
and the sentiments.
Let me just flip that over one more time because it got a little glary. So both butterflies cut out, all the sentiments cut out. That is amazing. So cool.
And these glimmered look amazing. So you guys don't forget that you can glimmer your BetterPress.
And you can see all the extra samples, of course, online in our clubs. We populate our blog with them. You're going to see them on social media. You see so many extra inspiration pieces every single month with club. Love. Okay, what's next?
Next is the stamp and die. Ooh. And we started off the year with some sentiments, which are just, good all-occasion sentiments.
Everyone is always just like, I need good sentiments. Yeah. These look like classics.
They are.
Cool. And look at the beautiful little mixture of, kind of like caps and fonts and scripty.
Yeah, this is a new scripty font for us.
I love it. So pretty. So stamp die, obviously it cuts out all the dies. Every single one matches. That's so cool. All right.
And then next is the stencil of the month.
There's so much of this Deluxe Caboodle. I just love it.
And the stencil of the month was new for last year, and it did so well that we're carrying through to 2025.
There we go.
And this is this beautiful floral frame, and I think this is one of my favorite stencils that we've done.
It's beautiful. So that is 5 layers. Yep. So obviously it does all that beautiful border. Gorgeous. And I love how that is going to be the perfect frame for so many different things.
And here it is in a different color.
Yeah, right there.
So just changing the color changes the whole look of the stencil.
Beautiful.
Now we're going to move on to the folders.
Stencils are super popular too. Like they're like the thing, I think, in 2025.
So this one's called Faceted Petal. We wanted to do something a little bit kind of organic with the nature. It's a little bit
hard to see there, but
I think you can see it. Let's see here. There we go. You can kind of see it there. But it's just an abstract pattern.
Let's check it out.
That looks like petals. So there we go.
Yeah.
And here,
sorry, I'm like grabbing it from you. Like, okay, there you go. Shadows. Yeah, so like a petal that's sort of broken apart. That's beautiful.
And then here is the BetterPress Glimmer.
There it is, in all of its shiny glory. Gorgeous. So that's not even the 3D folder.
No, that's the 2D.
Okay.
Now
Sorry, my
with-
file's falling over. I'm going to move it over.
Okay, so this is 3D folder.
Oh, yeah.
And it's this beautiful kind of stylized lattice, and that's what we called it. We called it stylized lattice. I don't know if you can see the detail, though, in the pattern. It's got these lines that run through the lattice.
It's not on the lattice, but it's got extra dimension there. Yeah.
It's really, really beautiful.
Yeah, you could totally see that. Beautiful. So 2D folder, 3D folder. Love.
Now we have Glimmer. We're really mixing it up this time.
Oh, and I love this.
this.
When I was photographing this, I was like, oh, I love that background. There's something about a Glimmer background that's just like so stunning. And that's just like a one and done pretty much.
It is. It's super easy to use with the beautiful inking on the background. And this also has
so pretty.
1, 2, 3, 4. It has 5 sentiments.
So awesome.
All you have to do is foil it, foil the sentiments, cut them out, and plop them in the
And
middle.
look at that. I mean, it makes the whole card just beautiful.
Even this is a background with the foiled butterflies or the dragonfly. It's really
Got
versatile.
that organic movement.
Yeah.
I love it.
And the foil is one of my favorites. I think this one is Aura.
Aura.
Yeah.
Love
so
Aura. Never
again,
have too
Aura
much.
changes colors as you kind of move it around.
Exactly.
And then we have
Pretty.
the wax seal. And we do have something new for 2025 for the wax seal club. You will notice that we don't have any wax.
Ooh, switching it up. I like
Switching it up.
it.
Some months you'll get wax and some months you'll get a tool. January, we're going to start it off with a wax seal box.
These are so awesome.
They're
I use them
awesome.
for everything.
They don't have to just be for your seals. It could be for anything. And we're starting off the year with a 3D wax seal.
3D seal?
Yes.
You are mixing it up.
We are mixing it
Oh,
up.
that's beautiful. So that's an oval seal, and it's got that stunning, stunning rose. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Is it a rose, or is it like a peony or something?
It's kind of any flower you want it to be. Yeah.
Oh, that's so pretty.
It's really, really beautiful.
So cool. So some months wax, some months other goodies. Okay.
Yes.
I love it. I love it.
And then we have the bonus item that if you are part of the Deluxe Caboodle,
Deluxe Caboodle only.
you get the bonus item. And this month, it's a stencil that colors in the butterflies.
So
let me
smart.
pull some of these over.
Yeah.
So here's another version. This
Let's
one's
scooch
Glimmer
these.
with the stencil. Here is another one using
Yep. I think that's a more simple version.
a
But
stencil.
so the bonus item, and this is a 3-layer stencil. Oh, that's cool. That's a great bonus item.
Yeah.
So you got all 3 of them. It's going to color in your butterflies, both sizes. That's fantastic.
And
Ooh, fun, fun, fun. So Josie, if I'm not a member of Club, when can I join? When does it open?
on January 6th.
Yes, January 6th. Awesome. And of course, if you're a club member, you can get all kinds of extra benefits. You get extra discounts. You get early
releases.
access to releases. Absolutely. And of course, you get your free item. It's just like a little gift to yourself.
Yeah.
Every time you get the Deluxe Caboodle, it's like, oh, I get the special treasure in my mailbox every month. And it is so much fun. So loving how January's
too.
starting off. It's
Me
fantastic.
too. I'm so excited.
Hope you guys are loving January's Nature's Dance too. Of course, all the clubs can be ordered separately. You don't have to always get the Deluxe Caboodle. You know you want it, but you can get any of the dies separately, or the stencils, whatever kind of is your crafting passion. We love that here at Spellbinders.
We do.
So we're so excited. Hopefully we'll see you around on the internet. Again, check our social medias, leave comments. We always love to engage with you. And in the meantime, we will see you next time, right? Happy crafting.
Bye, everybody. Thank you.